In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a watermark in Luminar. Whether you're a professional photographer looking to protect your images or a hobbyist wanting to add a personal touch, watermarking can be an essential step in your workflow. So, let's dive into the process. First, let's start by launching Luminar Neo from your desktop. Once you've got the application open, you'll want to navigate to the Catalog tab. Here, you'll see a list of your existing images, or if you're looking to add a new one, you can do so by clicking the Add Photos option. This allows you to select an image directly from your computer's storage. Once your chosen image is ready in Luminar, the real editing begins. With your image loaded, you'll need to click on the Edit button. This is where you'll make adjustments and enhance your photos, but for today, we're focusing specifically on the watermark feature. Next, it's time to locate the Layers panel. You'll typically find this panel in the top left corner of the interface. This section is key, as it will allow us to add and manipulate the watermark on your image. Once you're in the Layers panel, look for the plus button, that inviting little symbol that lets you add more to your project. Click it under the My Images or Layers section and select Load Image to bring in your watermark file. A tip here: using a PNG file without a background is the best option. It ensures your watermark is cleanly laid over your image without any unsightly borders. Now comes the fun part: personalizing your watermark. To adjust it, simply click and drag the watermark across your image to place it where you want it. Maybe you want it discreetly in a corner or boldly across a section of the image. The choice is yours. Next, if the size doesn't quite look right, don't worry. You can easily resize the watermark by clicking and dragging its corners until it's just the right size. After positioning and resizing, you might want to adjust the opacity to make sure the watermark is visible, but not overwhelming. This can be accomplished by using the opacity slider located in the Layer Properties section. This slider enables precise control over how transparent or vivid the watermark appears. Finally, once you're satisfied with its placement and appearance, making sure it's visible but not too distracting in a corner, it's time to finalize your work. Export your finished image and rest assured knowing that your watermark is now a permanent part of the exported file. Congratulations! You've successfully added a watermark to your image in Luminar, securing your creative work in just a few steps.